This is Old World Building Services. We would like to introduce you today of one of our two pressure washing trucks. Our first machine is a Simpson Alto steam cleaner. It has 3,000 psi at 4 gallons per minute. This machine is very versatile. You can use it at the sidewalk or tie it up to the cage and take it up to the roof of a high-rise building. Our second machine is a Hotzi 2 gallon per minute 2000 psi electric steam cleaner. This equipment is used for nighttime work. Old World Building Services has a surface cleaner, a small area surface cleaner, a tile and grout cleaner with a vacuum system. Old World Building Services carries wet floor signs, cones, and we keep all of our diesel and gasoline locked up in a metal container. Old World Building Services carries soap, acid, bleach, and other detergents to clean all different kinds of surfaces. Old World is environmentally concerned. We vacuum up our water, or we use a sump pump. We keep a blower to be able to dry up surfaces. We use a Hudson sprayer when needed. We have a foaming gun, a versatile 4-in-1 pistol gun, a turbo nozzle, and a 3-story long reach pole.